Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Rhode Island Sales Tax account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in taxportal.ri.gov and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Rhode Island Division of Taxation website. Now in order to log into your account, you will find the user ID login section right at the home page. So just type in your email address or the user ID that you have set up while creating your account. And within the password box, type in your account password. Then just click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account on the Rhode Island tax portal. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on Forgot User ID or the Forgot Password button underneath the sign in box. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Rhode Island tax portal account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.